Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing a P0086 trouble code? If you're experiencing rough engine performance, loss of power, or a check engine light, this could be the culprit. Ignoring it might lead to engine timing issues and expensive repairs. In this video, we'll cover what P0086 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Let's get started. What does P0086 mean? The P0086 code stands for Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit High, Bank 1. This means that the variable valve timing solenoid controlling the exhaust valves on Bank 1 is receiving excess voltage. When this happens, your engine's timing can get thrown off, leading to poor exhaust flow and reduced power. Symptoms of P0086 include the check engine light turning on, a loss of power or sluggish acceleration, engine misfires or a rough idle, and increased fuel consumption. Common causes of P0086 are as follows. A faulty exhaust VVT solenoid, which may be stuck or shorted damaged wiring or corroded connectors, leading to high resistance and excess voltage and ECU malfunction, where the engine control module sends incorrect signals and low or dirty engine oil, as the VVT system depends on good oil pressure to function properly. So where is the exhaust VVT solenoid located for P0086? Alright, so let's talk about the primary sensor location. The exhaust VVT solenoid, also known as Bank 1, is usually found near the driver's side valve cover, close to the exhaust camshaft. Now, on V6 and V8 engines, Bank 1 is typically on the same side as cylinder 1. Moving on to the wiring harness location, the solenoid is connected to the ECU through a wiring harness. You should look for a harness leading to the exhaust camshaft on Bank 1. Finally, let's cover some additional locations. In some engines, the solenoid might be found inside the timing cover or at the front of the engine. If your car has dual VVT solenoids, make sure you're working on the exhaust side of Bank 1. And here's a tip. Always check your vehicle's service manual for exact placement. First, let's check the engine oil. Check the engine oil. Make sure the oil is clean and at the correct level. You know, dirty oil can clog the VVT solenoid and restrict oil flow. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, damaged, or corroded wires near the solenoid. If you find any faulty connections, be sure to fix or replace them. Alright, let's move on to testing the VVT solenoid with a multimeter. First, you need to disconnect the solenoid and measure its resistance. If you find that the resistance is too high, well, that could mean the solenoid is faulty. Now, if you determine that the solenoid is bad, it's time to replace it. Carefully remove the old solenoid and install the new one. Make sure to secure all wiring properly to avoid any future issues. Finally, you'll want to clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the P0086 code. Then, drive the car and see if the problem is resolved. That's everything you need to know about P0086, Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit High, Bank 1. That's everything you need to know about P0086, Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit High, Bank 1. If your car is showing loss of power, rough idling, or a check engine light, check the VVT solenoid and wiring on the exhaust camshaft, Bank 1. For more car fix guides, watch these videos next. P0072, ambient air temperature sensor circuit low, and P0148, fuel delivery error. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.